Want that soft, trendy lip look? Wow! Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply lipstick like a pro, even if you're a beginner. These simple tips will help your lipstick look smoother, last longer, and stay comfortable throughout the day. Let's get started. The secret to beautiful lipstick starts with healthy lips. First, gently exfoliate your lips using a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to remove any dry skin. If there's any excess balm, gently blot it with a tissue. Step 2. Choose the right shade, 050. Pick a lipstick shade that matches your skin tone, outfit, or the occasion. Nude shades are perfect for everyday wear. Pink shades give a fresh, natural look. Red shades are classic and elegant. Bold colors are great for parties or special. Let's take some inspiration from Pinterest. As you can see, there are plenty of videos here, so I really like this one. Start by dabbing a tiny amount of concealer onto your lips and blending it out toward the edges. Using concealer as a base is a game changer. It acts as an eraser for your natural lip line, allowing you to create a customized shape. And it neutralizes your natural lip color so the true pigment of your lipstick shines through. Next, take a nude lip liner that is very close to your skin tone. Instead of following your actual lip line, draw just slightly outside or right on the edge to define your shape. Now apply your pink or red lipstick, or tint only to the very center of your lips. You don't need to cover the whole lip. Use your finger or a small brush to tap and blend the color outward toward the edges, letting it fade into that nude liner you applied earlier. Finally, apply a clear or lightly tinted gloss to the center of your lips. So here's the product that I use in this video if you want this. I can share the link in the description box. You can buy them directly. Bye-bye.